Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I remove my makeup, basically share with you my current nighttime skincare routine. Currently it's 10:38. I'll show you the products and how I remove it recently. I like to start with removing my eye makeup. I'm still using the Garnier Skin Active Water. With this water, cleansing water, you can remove the skin makeup but also the eye makeup, and this is my favorite way to remove eye makeup. Some people prefer using wipes, but I don't use them. I like to use my Garnier water. So this is my eye makeup removed. Now it's time to remove my face makeup, and I've been using this tool for the last couple of months. In my last DM drugstore haul, I showed you that I picked up this product. This is silicone exfoliate and remove your makeup. This tool I've been using a lot, and put some product on the tool, and this is from DM. This is from their line Balea drugstore line. This is like cleansing gel. I'm using this in the evenings, and in the mornings I'm using this Kiehl's cleanser, which is brightening and exfoliating daily cleanser. So usually I use that much of hot water, and I start removing the makeup. My foundation, my bronzer, it is removing really fast. My hair is inexplicable. This is how my face looks like after removing the makeup with this tool. To make sure that my face is clean, perfectly clean, I'm using again the Garnier water, and to make sure that I have no mascara left, I will use this tonic from Nivea, and this is for normal and skin, because I'm sure, yes, I have some bronzer left. And now it's time for the fun part, and this is the skincare routine. So I have some products that I've been loving, really loving in the past few months. It's all Kiehl's skincare. My favorite eye treatment is again from Kiehl's. This is their creamy eye treatment with avocado. This stuff is awesome. So this is how it looks like. I'm using this in the mornings, also in the evenings, every single day. I need to get a new one. It's really good. So the Kiehl's Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate with a quinoa husk extract. So this is basically this is how it looks like. All the products down below, you can check them out. So this is micro exfoliate, and it's supposed to smooth your skin if you have some texture like I had. So basically I've been using this for around 1 month now, and I'm extremely happy with my texture, because I had texture around my here on the high points and also on my forehead. And now I've been using this extract. You can see how much I have used it. I'm taking like 2-3 drops. So I know that my skin is only in this area, in the T-zone, but the other area is dry. I need some moisture, and I put I put my skin under test, and the test showed that my skin is extra dry and it needs moisture, and I need to use some oil. In my favorite one, this is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is my face oil with lavender and essential oils, but it's like that much left. I've been using it for the last couple of months now. This is a nighttime product, so I'm using it only in the evenings, need time so the skin can absorb it. That's why you apply it at night. Also, I'm using this Kiehl's moisturizer. This is their Ultra Facial Cream, 24 hours every day formula. See how it looks like. I have been using it and loving it last couple of months. It's the cream I've been using in the evenings. In the mornings I'm using the L'Oreal Hydra Genius Gel. I'm applying this Kiehl's, again Kiehl's. This is not sponsored, but I love this brand. This Kiehl's lip balm. This is the without any fragrance, no scent. I'm ready to go to bed. Let me know in the comments how do you like my skincare routine, and if you want to see more routines here on my channel, my nighttime or morning routines, let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to do that for you. If you have used some of the Kiehl's products and which one is your favorite. For me, the product that I have noticed that has really changed my skin in a good way is the Nightly Micro Peel Concentrate from Kiehl's. It's amazing. If you have the chance to get it, get it. The most important thing is to take care of your skin and then for your makeup, because when you have the good foundation for the makeup, and you don't need to worry about your makeup. First step for amazing makeup is good skincare routine, and this is something that I've been really passionate about in the last couple of years. Which is your all-time favorite or current favorite skincare product? You can follow me on Instagram and on my Twitter, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!